Understanding orogenic processes, the forces that shape mountains. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating world of orogenic processes. These natural phenomena play a crucial role in shaping our planet's landscape, particularly in forming mountains. So, if you're curious about how the magnificent mountains come into being, you're in the right place. Orogenic processes refer to the series of structural, compositional, and physical changes that occur in the Earth's crust due to tectonic activity. These processes are primarily responsible for the formation of mountains, making them an integral part of Earth's dynamic geology. The term orogenic is derived from the Greek words oros, meaning mountain, and genia, meaning creation or birth. Orogenic processes are complex and involve various mechanisms. The most significant among them include 1. Plate tectonics. The Earth's lithosphere is divided into tectonic plates that float on the semi-fluid asthenosphere beneath them. When these plates interact, they can converge, diverge, or slide past each other, leading to orogenic activity. 2. Convergence and collision. When two tectonic plates converge, they can either subduct, where one plate moves under another, or collide, leading to the material being pushed upwards, forming mountains. 3. Volcanism. In some cases, orogenic processes are associated with volcanic activity, especially in regions where oceanic and continental plates converge. Mountains formed through orogenic processes can be categorized into different types based on their formation mechanism and geological features. Key types include 1. Fold mountains. These are the most common type of mountains, formed mainly by the folding of the Earth's crust due to the compression forces during plate convergence. 2. Block mountains. Formed due to the cracking, faulting, and movement of large blocks of the Earth's crust. 3. Volcanic mountains. Created by volcanic activity. These mountains are formed when molten rock, magma, erupts through the crust and piles up on the surface. Orogenic belts are regions that have undergone extensive deformation due to orogenic processes. Notable examples include the Himalayas in Asia and the Andes in South America. Orogenic processes don't just create mountains. They also have significant impacts on climate, biodiversity, and human life. For instance, 1. Climate change. Mountains can influence weather patterns, leading to different climatic conditions on their windward and leeward sides. 2. Biodiversity hotspots. Mountainous regions often harbor unique ecosystems and a wide variety of species, making them biodiversity hotspots. 3. Human settlements and culture. Mountains have been pivotal in shaping human civilizations, providing resources, and influencing cultural and historical developments. And there you have it. A journey through the incredible orogenic processes that shape our planet's majestic mountains. These natural phenomena not only contribute to the Earth's topography but also profoundly impact its climate, biodiversity, and human societies. We hope this video has enlightened you about the fascinating processes behind mountain formation. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.